Hi folks, in this video I want to show you how you can automate test for links that do not have href but open some new browser tab instead, like for example links for PDFs or maybe some buttons, I don't know. In my case, for example, this is an example of such link, subscription terms and conditions. When you click on it, it will open new browser tab with a PDF. But if you look at the element itself on the web page, it doesn't have href, so you cannot really find this web element on the page and take href attribute from it because it will be empty. So in such cases, what I do, I perform click on it, then take href, compare if this is the expected one that I'm expecting, and I also send API GET request to the server to check that this PDF exists on the server, and that the response code will be 200. So anyway, let's take a look at the code. So this is just my simple test that opens that page and click on that link. So what does Playwright allow you to do with that? So I'm storing context and request that comes from Playwright in some Node.js process variables, but in your case it most likely will be taken from the test itself. For example, like here, this is exactly the same that you are passing into your test when you declare a test. You can pass it into this function or your page object method, whichever approach you are using. But for now, I'm just showing an example with simple functions without page object for simplicity. So anyway, this is just receiving those page context and request Playwright variables. And what you need to do next, you need to take context and create promise, basically this line. Start waiting for new page before clicking on the link. You can use context dot wait for page statement or expression. Then you click on your link, and then below your promise will wait for new browser tab to be opened. Basically these two lines. And then you can take URL on this newly opened page or browser tab and verify this URL. In my case, in different languages, it might be links to different PDFs when I'm testing for different markets in different locales. So what I do, I cannot just hard code the exact same link. It will change. What I do, I just check that the link contains subscription terms and conditions phrase, and that it also contains this locale at the end and .pdf. This is what these two lines do. And as I said, if besides checking the opened URL in a browser, you would also want to check that PDF exists on the server, you can also send API request, just simple request call request.get, and you pass in the same URL of newly opened page and check that response status code is 200. Let me show you how it looks like. So here I'm running my test. Sign in. So just you could see how it looks visually. It opens the page, then it will click on that link below, a new tab will be opened. And here in my logs you can see that it's sending API GET request and verifying response. So basically, if you get rid of all of the noise, delete API response, like this, and this console statement, remove all the logging, clarifications. So basically everything comes down to this, how many, 1, 2, 3, 6 lines. You declare promise, context wait for event page, you click on your link, then you waiting for this promise to be fulfilled, meaning that the new browser tab will be open with these 2 lines. And then you just simply take the URL and do whatever verifications you want to do with it. So basically that's it for this video. See you in the next one.